Welcome to our workshop. I'm Céline from L.E.A.R.N Institute France, and today I would like to introduce you to one of my favorite topics in terms of teaching, which is the 7-38-55 formula. So what is it? Have you ever wondered if there was a link between your students' motivation and their affection for their teachers? Guess what? Studies have shown that yes. Because when classroom setting stimulates motivation and learning from the students, it also influences their intellectual and socio-emotional experiences. On the contrary, when conflictual teacher-student relationships occur, it might lead to lower self-esteem and a lack of confidence for the student. So how does it work? Why do students like me? Or worse, why don't they like me? Let's be honest, there are a zillion reasons. But one of the most important one is the one called 7-38-55 formula, which was introduced by Dr. Albert Mehrabian, a professor of psychology, back in 1967. But please pay attention here. We're not talking about communication in general, but the communication of emotions. Let's focus on the biggest number, this 55%. What does it correspond to? Let's have a guess. Do you, like me, think that it corresponds to the words, the message that you've chosen? You are wrong. Do you believe that it corresponds to your body language? You are right. So let's pause here for a minute. It means that half of your message is based on nonverbal communication. In a classroom, it means that you can have the best lesson in the world. If your body language isn't right, then boom, you've lost half of the effect you wanted to achieve. So of course we should always keep that in mind when preparing a lesson, because body language is also part of the process when you teach. So what about the two other numbers? 38% corresponds of the tone of your voice while delivering your message, while only 7% correspond to the actual word you speak. Seems that we judge a book by its cover after all, right? If you want to know more about students' motivation, L.E.A.R.N Institute would be happy to welcome you to our survival camp in classroom management. Feel free also to subscribe to our social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Bye!